Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a recent trade of ours. This is a 2020 Chaparral 280 OBX. We're going to start here at the transom, looking at the engines as we normally do. This boat is equipped with twin Yamaha 200s. Great power option for this boat to move it down the water. Great. Stepping forward, you have this neat, innovative seat where if you're facing forward and have it up, great to sit here and be comfortable and safe underway. Or once you stopped and you want to convert it to a sunbed, this will open up and give you plenty of space to lay out and just lounge around while you're on the water. Pretty neat idea by Chaparral. Moving forward, you do have a gate here that if you wanted to close off the walkthrough for the transom while underway, and you do have a dive door. Neat option. Moving into the cockpit, plenty of seating in the cell shape here in the back. Another cool feature is the captain and the co-pilot's chair will swing back here to allow you to be part of the action and create a great little area for entertaining or just hanging out on the water. While we're here, we'll take a moment, let's look at this hardtop. Very well reinforced, solid throughout, painted underneath to match the hull. It's a great little option. The other cool thing about this is there's a sunroof. If you wanted to close it off completely on a hot day, you have this shade right here. Or if you wanted to just a little bit of dampening the sun, you have this right here. Otherwise, full open for great sun through. Really cool option on this boat. At the helm, you'll notice we have twin Garmin screens. We have your Yamaha readouts for your engines. Stereo head unit. Very comfortable, well put together steering wheel. Your keys, pinnacles for the engines, and your push buttons for onboard items such as your windlass and your bilge, freshwater wash down, trim tabs, and your horn. Same to the other side, you have some additional over here. To the left, you also have your compartment for your head. Nice, easy access, plenty of room, very smart laid out. Also be great for dry storage if you need to put anything away while you're under the water. A lot of room in there for that as well. Moving forward, this boat does have a door here that if you wanted to close off underway, that would help keep the wind down when this window is closed, and especially on a chilly day, makes it much more comfortable for boating. Moving forward, plenty of seating up here in the bow. Have armrest here for comfort. Great place to be riding while you're underway. I'm sure it's a lot of fun. Moving up here, this boat is equipped with a windlass. Another great option. The boat has plenty of options that you would want on any boat that you're going to pick up. Makes it easy for anchoring out in the bay or wherever you do your boating. You have your foot controls here, as well as back at the helm, as we mentioned before. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have here in our inventory, please give us a call. Myself or our sales consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have. My name's Josh. Looking forward to hearing from you. Appreciate your time.